Hey everybody, welcome to another video of As the Crow Flies Hiking. I appreciate all the people that subscribe to the channel in recent months. I'm out here doing an overnight camping trip with my sons, and while I was here I wanted to talk about a product that I ordered, and I hope it will help me to get rid of my issues with bringing too much stuff in my ditty bag. I guess that's what everybody calls it, but I just call it my electronics bag. So even though I got my boys here, this is not typical of the large bag that I have, but over the years I basically carry a Sea to Summit or outdoor research bag. This is an outdoor research bag and it's too big for what I use it for, but this is where I keep a lot of essentials because it's a dry bag. And I combine too many things in it, and I bring too many bags, and I'm trying to, as the new year is approaching, I'm trying to get better with the resolutions, including working on my storage and organization in my pack. So I saw a new product from Hilltop packs, which I think people have already done reviews on, but this is what I got from Hilltop packs. It is this electronics bag. Really great product because it's Dyneema, and then you can put whatever you want to on the front. I just got one that he has in stock that he does all the time, and that is with the skulls. I thought that was really cool. Didn't really want to do anything else on it, but I just thought it was neat. And so one side has, you know, some sort of illustration on it, and then the other side is just plain. And you can see through this side, so if you want to put something that you can look for quickly, there it is. So I think this is going to help me with my electronics and other items. Essentially, I may use this half as electronics and other as storage for other items, such as wallet or key or whatever else that I need. But this bag having the dual layering in it so that you can organize and separate things, I thought was really useful, and that's why I ordered it. It is a roll top Dyneema fabric, and so you can roll it down as far as you need to, and then it has these clips to clip it down and make it as small or as large as you need. So essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the electronics that are in here, take them and start organizing on this trip and future trips with this neat Hilltops packs Dyneema bag. Such a great product, and if you check out Hilltop packs, they are always adding new products. I'll put the specs somewhere on the video here about the size, but essentially it looks like it's about 5 inches or so across and about 11 inches long. I'll see if I got that right later. Anyway, that is a short review of the Hilltop Packs Dyneema organization bag with the dual layering. Appreciate you watching the video. If you find anything useful about it, please like the video or subscribe to the channel or comment below. I'm always looking for other people's ideas for bags and organization in their pack because I am not the best at it. I'm still learning as I go, but and it's still an evolving process. But things like this, these bags, he has Ben at Hilltops has a lot of different bags, larger, smaller. I also have the bear bag or food bag that I really like. But just organizing items in your pack is such a unique process, an individual process to people, and I'm always trying to figure out better ways to do it, and I think this is a great idea and a good size bag to do such things like that. Anyway, catch you next time on As the Crow Flies Hiking. Thanks for watching. I liked some of just the prefab stuff that he had, including these little skulls on it. So sorry for the smoke. The fire is catching on. No more, no more, no more leaves, Sawyer. So my son is really putting on the leaves on the fire. Anyway, thanks for watching As the Crow Flies Hiking. I'll see you next time. As the smoke gets me again.